Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log out Twitter account. Keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Let's get started. Open your X app. Then tap on the profile icon which is at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on drop-down menu which is right next to Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap Settings and Privacy. Then select your account. Then tap on the very first option, that is Account Information. Then tap on Logout. And if you are sure, tap on Logout once again. And this is how you can log out Twitter account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notification whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.